Chola Alvarez and Iris Tolenada. Definitely, this is added firepower for them with Iris Tolenada as one of their main setters right now. She can provide that variety in playmaking, but I think one thing that Capital One needs is an added firepower in terms of attacking. We know Jarel Singh is that captain, the leading scorer of the squad, but they kind of need that added firepower.
Yun din naman yung sinabi ni Coach Roger. They need girls or women to attack the defense of their opponents, especially in the upcoming reinforced confidence. Aside from Iris Tolenada, Shola Alvarez will also be very vital for the run of the Capital One Solar Spikers. We know that she is also an all-around player. She can receive, she can defend, she can block, and she can attack. So I think she will really help Capital One in their upcoming run.
Coach Roger also mentioned that he wants someone with height, so let's see who will be the pick of the Capital One Solar Spikers.
All right, the selection is locked in. Now, Commissioner Sherwin Malonzo, who did they pick?
Okay, with the second overall pick in the 2024 PVL Draft, the Capital One Solar Spikers select Leila Jane Cruz of De La Salle University.
I decided to join the draft kasi after my injury, ready na din ako to go sa next level, which is pro. One thing is for sure na parang willing talaga ako to give everything. Like, I'm willing to dedicate yung self ko sa mapupuntahan kong team, mag-effort sa team ko, and willing ako mag-fight for them. Hi po sa future team ko. I'm so excited po na maka-work ko po kayo, and super excited ako na may matutunan pang marami from mga teammates ko po na makakasama dyan. Looking forward po sa pagkita po natin.
Let's give it up for the second overall pick in our 2024 PVL Rookie Draft Night, Leila Cruz. Leila is looking very lovely in that gown, fine, fresh, and fierce.
It's good to see Leila Cruz because we haven't seen her on the court for a while now after that injury, but she decided to opt to let go of her playing year and be drafted this year. And we're excited definitely to see her back in the court, this time with the Capital One Solar Spikers.
She will definitely add firepower to the unit of Coach Roger Corrieb. We know that Leila Cruz is an opposite hitter during her time in La Salle, but she has recovered fully from her injury, and she impressed a lot of coaches in the PVL Combine. Now, let's turn it over to Kyla Kingsu because she is with our second overall pick.
Here with me is Leila Cruz. A big congratulations to you, our second overall pick. It is your comeback season. Now, as Neil and Ayel mentioned, the last time we saw action from you was back in UAAP season 85. Now, how are you feeling about this new chapter of your career?
I'm very excited na mag-start na ng pro career ko, and I'm very grateful for Capital One for trusting me.
Now, thank you and congratulations once again. Now, Z is here with our team owner, Mandy Romero.
Yes, and